So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a fish. Wow, I love fish. Yeah, they just love to swim underwater. Some are big, some are small, some are fast, some are slow. And today, you and I are gonna draw a purple fish. All right, I'm gonna do a long arch like that. Then I'm gonna go straight up and then do the opposite. Whoa, yeah, see that really wide triangle? Yeah, that is the tail fin. All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna draw a sideways heart, just like that. Oh, so cute. And a small circle for the eye. Ooh, a curved line. Yeah, to separate the back from the front. Oh, there we go. All right, and what does it have on its body? Not fur, yeah, scales. All right, there we go. Whoa, this fish is so cool. All right, I'm gonna draw a top fin up there. Looks like a triangle, right? Ooh, and a bottom fin. But I can't forget about some bubbles. Woo, woo, whoa, yeah. So cute. Well, if you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now, does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes. And the nostrils. And the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah. What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw the letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa! Let's add some green. Whoa! There we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa! Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah! Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Wow, there's 8 planets. Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red, and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the second largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too, but I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun. Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect. And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa! Oh, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one, so first let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all 3 of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.